Today we talk about how can you export information account on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here above your name here. Then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on export account information here, just click on it. And here we find I have no devices here, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here. Then you just click on export, then automatically it's going to export with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.